Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make oyster sauce Kailan vegetables. Hope you like it. This recipe is also suitable to make during festivals or Chinese reunion meal. Kailan, like many vegetables, are nutrient-dense and contains a variety of healthy nutrients including vitamin A and C. These nutrients act as antioxidants that can protect your body against oxidative damage, may help to boost the immune system, and reduce risk for certain cancers. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: Kailan, chopped garlic. First, remove the rotten and old leaves of kale, and then use a knife to scrape off the old skin. This is a very important point. If the old skin is not scraped off, it will not taste fresh and tender, and it will have a full fiber feeling in the mouth. Appropriate amount of water into the steamer. Add a little salt and cooking oil. Turn on high heat to heat it, and then put the prepared kale into the pot and boil water for about 1 minute. Arrange Kailan nicely on plate. Stir-fry chopped garlic. Add 3 tablespoons water. One tablespoon oyster sauce. One teaspoon soy sauce. Optional to add chicken powder. 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Thickening sauce with cornstarch water. Cornstarch and water ratio is 1:1. Drizzle sauce on Kailan. Optional to garnish with fried shallots. Oyster Kailan looks good, right? It would be nice to make this dish for your guests at home. And vegetable recipes are also indispensable for the New Year reunion dinner, so let's make it this way. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Health benefits of Kailan. These nutrients act as antioxidants that can protect your body against oxidative damage, may help to boost the immune system and reduce risk for certain cancers. Vitamin A can also help to maintain good eyesight. Is Kailan the same as kale? The Chinese kale, or Kailan, belongs to this group, and it needs little introduction. It is a common leafy vegetable that is consumed especially in this part of the world. In contrast to the many cabbage cultivars introduced in this article, the Chinese kale is heat-tolerant and grows well in the lowland tropics. How healthy is kailan? It is usually stir-fried or boiled. Kailan is an excellent source of beta-carotene vitamin A, which is needed for healthy skin, bones, and eyes. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.